Welcome to our YouTube channel. Quilting is a medium that connects people. It's universal. Whether you are just starting out on your quilting journey or whether you are far ahead with it, we are here to help you. We are so glad to share with you our passion for quilts, both old and new, and the process of making them. From tips and tutorials by skilled quilters, quilt stories, styles, and exhibition content, there's something for everyone. These videos are just a taster of what is available to our members over at quiltersguild.org.uk. For more fabulous and in-depth content to help you wherever you are on your quilting journey, join us today and gain access to the #1 quilting network in the UK. To keep up with all things quilt related, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.